Hey, I'm Parminder. I'm the VP of Product and Design here at Flutterwave. I've been in products for around about 11 plus years in leadership roles. Started my career in e-commerce as one of the first ever digital product managers for a big UK grocer. And then I've spent the last 8 years in fintech roles. So from wealth management to stocks and shares to mobile banking apps. And most notably, I launched the Africa's first super app in Kenya with M-Pesa and took that to 7 or 8 other markets, including Lesotho, Mozambique, Tanzania, Ghana, DRC and Ethiopia. I really was excited when the opportunity for Flutterwave came up because it kind of blended my kind of business and professional experience working across Africa as well as my personal life because I have family in Nigeria and I'm married to a Nigerian. So I've really enjoyed it out here so far. And I would say my pidgin is much better than my Yoruba, but I'm trying to learn so much every day. So Isheyo to everyone that's helped me on my learning journey. So I love music. So I used to DJ a long time ago, but now it's more about listening. It's about serving my team and also being a good servant leader for everyone across product and design. So we have an amazing team across Flutterwave and I want to kind of contribute to that and also enable people that have left, or Japa as we say, to be able to send money back home. I unwind a few ways. I'm a big foodie, so always love to go out to restaurants, try new food. And then another way I like to relax is linked to the music is going to concerts. So whether it's a Jackie, Burner, Harriet Staff, that's something I really enjoy doing. People sometimes look to the US or look to Europe for innovation, but ultimately here, there's a huge amount of opportunity and innovation here. I think people should know that there's a huge amount of opportunities to be unlocked, but it's also the fact that that's built on a huge kind of, level of innovation that's been driven, whether that's East Africa with M-Pesa, whether that's Flutterwave with our kind of APIs and acceptance to kind of other players across the globe. So I think that's the big thing that I really want people to take inspo from is have a look across the continent, and no country is the same. So if you go to Nigeria, you go to Ghana, or you go to Kenya, you go to Tanzania, they're very different countries, very different problems to solve, different dialects and so on. So if you take an example of mobile money starting in the early 2000s and now taking, 80% of transactions through, in less than 10, 15 years, that's amazing. And if you see what we're trying to do here around just connecting businesses to Africa, I think it really shows you the power of innovation and the kind of appetite for growth as well. Yeah, these are nice, these are have a nice days, but yeah, I'm a big trainer head. Definitely went through that phase of buying and selling them, but now I'm just relaxing and just enjoying them. I have to stop now. But yeah, the rule is 1 in, 1 out. So it makes it much tougher to buy new ones because I have to say goodbye to one.